Good day, everyone. We would like to introduce to all of you our video presentation about academic research and the documented essay in the 21st century. This consists of academic writing, documented essay, and sample documented essay. And for our introduction, some believe that academic writing means sounding like a research paper, which they associated highfalutin or jargon-filled language. A stiff style in the absence of the writer's voice or opinion, and a boring and rehashed topic. The label academic refers to a student-informed, scholarly, or insightful contribution to ongoing discussion of relevant topic or issues. Clearly, concise, focused, structured, and backed up by existence. Its purpose is to aid the reader's understanding. Academic writing requires students to have good information on the various styles of writing based on the system of writing advocate for the institution of higher education. Need to follow and adhere to certain rules. Some of these procedures include, but not limited to, referencing or rather citation rules, and the avoidance of committing academic crimes such as plagiarism.
The goal of a research paper is not to inform the reader what others have to say about the topic, but to draw on what others have to say about the topic and engage the sources in order to thoughtfully offer a unique perspective on the issue at hand. This is accomplished through two major types of research papers. In addition, a research paper or documented essay is a piece of writing in which you incorporate information, facts, arguments, opinions taken from the writings of authorities in a particular field. Let's talk about one of the formal writing.
Academic writing information. Writing is a skill that is required in many contexts throughout life. However, academic writing does many of the things that personal writing does not. It has its own set of rules and practices. These are the academic features in academic writing: complicity, formality, precision, objectivity, explicitness, hedging, responsibility, accuracy, organization, and planning. Complicity. Written language is relatively more complex than spoken language. Written language has longer words, it is lexically more dense, and it has a more varied vocabulary. Formality. Academic writing is relatively formal. In general, this means that in an essay you should avoid colloquial words and expressions. Precision. In academic writing, facts and figures are given precisely. Objectivity. Written language is in general objective rather than personal. It therefore has fewer words that refer to the writer or the reader. Explicitness. Academic writing is explicit about the relationship in her text. Furthermore, it is the responsibility of the writer in English to make it clear to the reader how the various parts of the text are related.
Academic writing uses vocabulary accurately. Most subjects have words with narrow, specific meanings. Linguistics distinguishes clearly between phonetics and phonemics. Generally, English does not. In any kind of academic writing medium, it is necessary to make decisions about your stand on a particular subject or the strength of the claims you are making different subjects. Prefer to do this in different ways. Responsibility. In academic writing, you must be responsible for and must be able to provide evidence and justification for in any claims you make. You are also responsible for demonstrating an understanding of any source text you use. Organization. Academic writing is well organized. It flows easily from one section to the next in a logical fashion. A good place to start is the genre of your text. Once you have decided on the genre, the structure is easily determined. Planning. Academic writing is well planned. It usually takes place after research and evaluation, according to a specific purpose and plan.
Introduction of documented essay is a piece of writing in which you incorporate information, facts, arguments, opinions taken from the writing of authorities in a particular field. A documented essay is better known as a research paper in which the writer presents arguments and uses factual information to support the point or thesis of the text. What are the three parts of documented essay? Documented essay has three parts or sections. These are introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction. Serve the purpose of leading the reader from the general subject area to a particular field of research. Body. It is the largest part of research paper. It contains the collection and arrangement of evidence that will persuade the reader of your arguments. Conclusion. Intended to help the reader understand why your research should matter to them after they have finished reading the paper. It is the part where you wrap your ideas and leave the reader with a strong final impression. And lastly, let us know the purpose of writing a documented essay. A documented-based essay is for you to study the documents provided by your professor to discover and communicate a significant point about history.